Jai Sri Krishna. First time in English in simple story form. Purans. Sri Harivansh Puran. Creation Expansion by Daksha. Episode 3. Vaishnapanji said, O king, Daksha was commanded by Swambhuva, saying, create progeny. The capable Daksha first created his mental offspring. The rishis, gods, Gandharvas, Asuras, Rakshasas, Yakshas, goblins, Pishachas, beasts, birds, and reptiles. But when his mind-born creation did not multiply as his desire, he was worried. He decided to create progeny by sexual intercourse. Thus, he married Asikni, the daughter of the patriarch Viran. Asikni bore 5,000 sons for Daksha. They were together known as Harishrava. When these sons of Daksha were desirous of multiplying progeny, Narada, the son of Brahma, preached them in such a way that these sons of Daksha lost attachment to this world and proceeded their journey in search of truth. When Daksha came to know, he was offended with Narad but kept quiet. After some time, he again fathered 1,000 sons who were born from his wife Asikni. These sons of Daksha were known as Shablashrav. When these sons of Daksha were desirous to have their progeny, Narad again preached them and deviated them from their path. Shablashrav also went in 4 directions in search of truth and never came back. When Shablashrav also lost the desire to multiply their progeny because of Narad, Daksha was angry. In his anger, he cursed Narad. May your this body be destroyed and you again take birth and face the torture a baby has to bear in the womb. Thus, Narad was first born from Brahma. Then he was born from the younger sister of Asikni. After his sons were destroyed because of Narad's preaching, Daksha decided to have daughters. He knew, being female, they cannot be preached by Narad and thus will be helpful in multiplying their progeny. Daksha had 60 daughters. When these daughters grew and were in their marriageable age, Daksha married them. Of his 60 daughters, he gave 10 to Dharma, 13 to Kashyap, 27 to Chandrama, 4 to Arishtanemi, 2 sons of Bhrigu, 2 to Angira, and 2 to wives Krishashrav in marriage. Jai Shri Krishna. In the next episode, we will come to know about progeny of Dharma, episode 4. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.